Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we're making up some gingerbread bars. They're soft, they'll keep on your countertop for days. It's just a delicious treat to make up for Christmas. I know we're all getting excited about it. This baking, we got cooler weather here in Texas, so I am in the mood to do some baking. So everything you need for these gingerbread bars will be in the description. So let's get started. The description box. Let's get started. Here in my bowl, I have some melted butter. I'm going to add in my brown sugar, and I'm just going to get this mixed up. Okay, have that mixed up. We're going to go in with our molasses. These are good, y'all. You got to try them. They're really good. You'll love them if you love gingerbread. And these are soft and chewy. They really are delicious. Really, really good. If you love gingerbread, you're going to love these. I promise. And then we're going to put our one large egg in at room temperature. And I'll get that mixed up. Okay, I have that mixed up. You're just going to mix your sugar and your butter just till everything's nice and incorporated. And then same with that. Now here I have my flour. And here's my spices and my salt and my baking soda. And what did I do with my... Get this one out, and I'm just going to get this mixed up. Okay, now that I have my dry ingredients, I'm going to add in half of it. And you're going to mix this up. Don't over mix it. It's going to be a thick batter. And then I'll get this pretty well mixed in. Add the other half of that flour and my raisins. Okay, now we have our raisins. And I'll get those just mixed in. And if you have to use your hands, clean hands, gloves, or clean hands, mix it in. But try not to overmix. And so I don't overmix. What I like to do is just kind of pick up that dough and let those raisins all just kind of fall together. That way we're not really overmixing. Then get your oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. Get you a 9x13 pan, oiled or sprayed. Okay, I have that ready. And I'm going to go ahead and gather all my dough here. So, what's everyone making up? Drop me a comment. I want to see what everybody's making for Christmas. What kind of cookie dough you making? What kind of cookie dough do you have frozen, already ready to go? It's just that time of the year. So what you're going to do is just pat all this out, even as you can. 350 Fahrenheit, bake it. Mine normally take between 20 to 22 minutes. You do not want to overbake these, okay? So let me continue pressing this. Okay, got that all patted out evenly and just kind of go around the edges. And ovens vary. Keep an eye on it. Start checking it at least at 18 minutes. If that toothpick comes out clean, they're done. You don't want to overbake them. They're going to be really soft. But you don't want to underbake them. So keep an eye on them. I'll let you know how long mine takes. Okay, there are the gingerbread bars. They're like a brownie. You don't overbake them. They'll still be fairly soft in the middle. They're nice and soft and chewy, and let them cool down. You don't have to flip them up out of your pan. I just do so I can cut them better. You know how cakes or brownies can be, you just, with me, I just like to flip it out of my pan. You can frost them right in your pan. But mine flips right out of the pan. And by cutting, I just don't want to scrape my pan up. So I just flip them right out. If you got you a good non-stick pan, they'll flip right out for you. Just kind of shake that pan, loosen it, and they'll pop right out. But let this cool. You want it just barely warm. And we'll get some icing put on that. Mine took 21 minutes. Now yours could take 20. Yours could take 18. But you'll feel it's fairly soft in the middle, and they will continue to firm up as they set. So don't overbake them. We don't want dried gingerbread bars, right? All right. Okay, meanwhile those are cooling, I'm going to get my glaze put together. There's my powdered sugar. I need to get me a spoon for my butter here. Just a little bit of butter. Tablespoon. You want it soft. Some soft butter. And then to that, I'm going to put in some karo syrup. Scrape it all out. Want that all out of there. It's kind of cool in my house right now, so it's kind of really thick. It's cold. Okay. And we're going to do a teaspoon of some clear vanilla. You can do the regular brown vanilla, but your icing won't be as white. So let me get me my vanilla out here. Just some clear vanilla. And just go in with a couple of, where's my tablespoons of water, cold water. Start with a couple. You want this to be fairly thick. And I'll get my mixer. You can do it by hand. Okay, the bars are cooled down. They're just barely warm. I have my icing made up for these. I'm just going to get this on here. And we're going to let this icing sit on these bars. They're like a cookie bar. Gingerbread cookie bar. Frosted, iced, however you want to call it. It's good. But I'm going to have me one in a little bit with some coffee. But I'm going to finish this and we'll get some sprinkles on there. Okay, we got that done. Now we're going to put some, these are jimmies, I guess. Yeah, not the sugar ones. You don't want the sugar ones. And we'll get these all over top of it while that icing is still wet. And we'll let this dry. And that's why I like to take it out of the pan. It's better to, you can cut them better. You can cut them better without your icing getting that wrinkle look by trying to get them up out of the pan. So we'll let this set up until that icing is dried. And we'll be back with some nice, soft, chewy gingerbread bars. Okay, y'all, there are the gingerbread bars. They're delicious. You guys give them a try. You will love them. Just don't overbake. It's crucial not to overbake them. Start checking them. Like I said, ovens vary. And as I said, everything you need for this will be in the description box. But that's about it. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please like, subscribe, and share. I have a link below the video where you can see there if there's anything you're interested that I may be using in my video. Click on that. My merchandise link, it's all there. I'm going to try one of these. I haven't tried one yet. But I got my coffee. Look at those. They are good. And my cup of coffee. Oh, yes. Mmm. Boy, those are good. Mmm. I don't know if y'all can see that there. Mmm. Y'all give those a try. But until next time, cut them any size you want. You guys take care of one another. Love one another. If I ever forget anything, I'll pin it there in the comments. Or if you have any questions, feel free. Okay, so you guys take care. Make you up some. These are even good. Cut into little tiny bite size. They're delicious. Y'all give them a try. I'm going to finish mine with my coffee, and we will see y'all later. Love y'all. Bye-bye.